This is my personal folder. Inside it, there are 3 important files. I want to password protect this folder so that no one else can access it without the correct password. Let's see how to do it step by step. But before doing this, I'm requesting you to hit the subscribe button and like the video. First, press Command plus space together on your keyboard. This will open Spotlight Search. Now, type Disk Utility and open it. The Disk Utility window will appear in front of you. At the top left corner, click on the File menu. Then, go to New Image and select Blank Image. A new window will pop up. Give your image a name. I'm naming it Key. Next, under Format, choose APFS. Under Encryption, select 256-bit AES encryption. For partitions, choose GUID partition map. And for image format, select Sparse Bundle Disk Image. Now, set the size. I'm making it 1 GB. Choose where you want to save it. I'm saving it on the desktop. Click Save. A password window will appear. Enter a strong password. Verify it. And click OK. After a few seconds, you will see 2 files on your desktop, key.sparsebundle and the mounted key drive. Now, copy your personal folder. And when the drive opens, paste your personal folder inside it. After pasting, you can permanently delete the original folder from the previous location. Now, your files are safe. Let me explain how it works. Think of the key.sparsebundle file as a locked safe. Double-click it, enter your password, the protect drive will mount on the desktop. You can now open it and access all your files. When you are finished working, right-click on the mounted drive and select Eject. The drive will disappear completely. No one can see or open your files without the sparsebundle file and the correct password. To open it again later, simply double-click the key.sparsebundle file, enter your password, and the drive will appear again. This is the complete and secure way to password protect any folder on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you.